Red marks on the hollow map. Every route, every jump, every trap. We see your tags on the comms feed. Laugh in the dark while you chase greed. You paint your logos on stolen steel. Call it law but you sell the deal. We watch your fleets from the shadow line. Count your credits, then cut the spine. Xeno threat over Stanton. We don't play a little show. You can run to your safe ports, but we don't like Wicklow. Flag your name in the target and lock it in, then let it go. See no threat over Stanton, yeah, we don't like Wicklow. Shaking hands, we're in the clouds where your scans fail. Right on top of your precious rail. You trade your fear for a rescue ping. We trade your hope for a fire ring. You drop your freight, we drop your pride. Drift in silence, enjoy the ride. Xeno threat over Stanton. We don't play a little show. You can run to your safe ports, but we don't like Wicklow. Flag your name in the targeting, lock it in, then let it go. Xeno threat over Stanton, yeah, we don't like Wicklow. Calling your lie. Every false hero gonna burn in the sky. You can pray to your flags, to your corporal glow, but you're already marked by Xeno. Xeno. Xeno threat over Stanton. We don't play your little show. You can run to your safe ports, but we don't like Wicklow.